old Delta bandsaw, a piece of almost 3/4 inch thick plywood. Doesn't slow down. It's amazing. We're going to look at the motor next. So the motor's a Beeline. It's a Brown Brockmeyer from Dayton, Ohio. It's a 3/4 horse repulsion-induction, and don't let that 3/4 horse fool you. This baby will pull. We got this nice Delta 14-inch bandsaw, number 49813. Actually, that's the serial number. I don't know the number on it, but it's an old one. This is not the crisscross pattern. This is I think it's the outside shell only, but terrific, terrifically strong, way stronger than the newer ones, I think. And it's dirty, but it's well used, and still all of it's there. So we're gonna clean it up a little bit and get it on eBay probably. Really powerful motor on it. It's a repulsion induction motor, and I think it's rated a 3/4 horse. But man, that baby will pull, I'm telling you. It's really something. We're going to show it resawing a piece of 2x6 cross grain and show how fast it is. All right, hang on. All right, so here we go. We got a chunk of 2x6. We're going to cut it this way, even though resawing would typically be with the grain. I gotta say, that's really remarkable. Let's go through it now. So, turn it off here. So that's the capability. I know I have to say that is a newer blade. I just put that blade on, so the blade's nice and sharp. But even so, remarkably clean cuts, and just really hell for stout. Okay, we're going to show how we cleaned it up here also. So we're going to show how we cleaned this up. This top has a little bit of pitting on it, but it's actually quite good aside from that. It's got a lot of surface rust on it, and I use this carbide scraper to take the rust off. I'm going to take this panel, the guard off here, because otherwise it's going to clamp the whole time. So we're going to pause for a second. I'll remove that. So here we are back again. All right. So the legs are a little, one of the legs is a little shorter than the other, so we'll have to put a shim under it. It's going to rock a little bit. That's how quickly and easily you can take the surface rust off of a table like this. Now, I'm not cutting into the cast iron. It's just taking the surface rust off. The carbide scraper would cut right into the top if I put a little more pressure on it, but I'm not doing that. I'm just taking the rust off. So I did clean up most of the paint on this saw here last week, just with basically purple power, and boy, it really cleaned up pretty well. There's a couple of odd spots on it, like that. There's like a little bit of rust there, but nothing that a nice can of Ford Gray wouldn't take care of. Available down at any auto parts store. So here we are. We've got table treated now with Evaporust and then wet sanded with that wonderful product. And here we are, just damp wiping it off. Most of the rust is gone. Even this area, which was sort of pitted, is pretty much undetectable. You can't even see it. So I got this interesting mark here. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe somebody was just using the tabletop as a anvil for something, but good thing they didn't harm it beyond that. All right, it's really looking good.